Well, hello everyone, it's Lottie and welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm finishing up my updates on my Pikachus that I've made, and I am going to start making the ears and the tails. So I have to make 20 ears and 20 tails. So I am using the crochet hook, E, and what did I do with that crochet hook? Put it somewhere. I have a lot of, maybe I put it away. I don't see it. Maybe I put it away. So I do, oh here, I think this is it. So I am using 3.0 millimeters. It's a crochet hook E. So let me grab one of those up. I dropped one. Okay, let me get one I dropped. So there's the head, the body parts, the legs, the arms. So I am going to make the tail. I am going to put the brown stripes in the back. So right now, I did a face last. 5 are mine and 5 for my auntie. And I use the Premier Just Yarn. This is the brown. And I'm using the black for the ears and the yellow. So I can make the ears right now. I start with the black yarn. If you can start with the magic ring, if you like. This is the way I do my magic ring, like this. And I know you guys can't see it, but if you guys want to learn how to crochet, join my membership. It's $3.99. Supports my channel, and you can learn the basic from me. 2, 3, 4. And I usually do the magic ring when I do the little ears, especially if I'm doing 4 single crochet joined, because it's hard to do with the chain 2 and then do the 4 single crochets. And it starts with a little circle here, and then so you always chain, and then my second round will be 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and the last one is 4. And make sure you use the little needle because it's easier to use. And I usually flip it over when I'm on the third. When I start doing the third row, I flip it. So the next row is going to be a single crochet, it's the third row, and 2 single crochets in the second. So that'll be 3, and then 4 single crochet, and 2 single crochet in the last single crochet. So that's a total of 6 single crochets. And I'm doing it in black. So I'm finishing up this row. I know you guys can't see it, but that is what I'm doing. I'm finishing up the third row. And then the fourth row, you're going to do 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. A little bit tight. stitches are tight. And 1, 2, and 3. So let's finish up the 4th row. Okay. And then the 5th row, we're going to do 2 single crochets. 1 and 2, and then we're going to do increase 3 and 4. You do it 2 times, 2 single crochets, 5 and 6, and the last one is an increase, 7 and 8. And this is where I'm going to switch colors. 7 and 8. So I'm going to switch colors. Chain. So we're going to switch colors. So row 6 to 8, we're going to do 8 single crochet in yellow. 2, 3, and 4. And you can cut off the black yarn. Usually I cut them off. So that way you're just using just the yellow. 4 more single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we close it by the first single crochet, slip stitch, chain 1. And you can cut the tail if we don't need it. Now we do, that was row 6, this is 7. Row 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We count it again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 8 single crochets, slip stitch, and chain 1. It closes the, it looks like that. So these are the Piikachu ears. And we're going to do another row. This is row 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And slip stitch. And that's 1 ear. And then we're going to cut here. I have to make 20 of these. That completes one of the ears for the Piikachu. So that's 1 ear. Do it again. This is, you can either do chain 2 or do the magic circle. I usually do the magic circle because it's easier. And if you guys want to learn how to crochet, you can. I have my video tutorials. If you join this membership, I take you step by step. Or you can go to my Teaching Me website and just order or my Etsy. I do teach you the basic stitches. 2, 3, and 4. This is 4 single crochet, and I'm going to pull and then we're going to slip stitch close round 1, round 2 is 4 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and then we slip stitch. Round 3 is chain 1. Here's a single crochet, and then 2 in the next. That's 2, 3, 1 in the next, and then 2 in the last 4 stitches. So it's a total of 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we close that round. So we do 6 single crochet around on the 4th row. 1, 2, 3, 6. When we close that round, and then the next round we're going to do a single crochet, 2 single crochets in each of the next 2 stitches, and then an increase. 3, 4, and then the next 2 stitches a single crochet, and then the last stitch is an increase. So that's a total of 8. 8 single crochets. And when I do the last stitch, I'm going to switch to yellow. So pull on that black one. So we want to close it. And we're going to chain 1. Then we do 8 single crochet from row 6 to 8. 3, 4, and you can't cut off the black. Just cut off the tails because we don't need it. Do another 4, 2, 3, and 4, and slip stitch, close 6th row, and then we do 7 row. The 7th row is 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last row, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, that's another ear. A long strand because you're going to sew in the ears. Right? And you can stuff it along. I'm going to stuff mine with the polyfill. Use my pinky to stuff it. And then stuff the other one I just made. usually just save it. So I have to make 20 of these a pair. And go ahead and stuff it so that when you're ready to sew it, you're going to be sew on the Pikachus. And they're going to look so cute when they're sewn. So when you sew it, they're going to look cute. I'll do that later. So I'm making the ears, 20 of those and 8 of the tails. Alright guys, I hope you guys like my YouTube channel. Again, once again, thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe, join my membership. I have links to my Teachingly website where I have the courses ready for you to learn how to crochet. It's never too late. You can start at any age. And I will talk to you all later. Watch my other videos. Watch my other YouTube channels. I have a lot of YouTube channels, especially my main channels with just my name. But right now you're watching Deeza's Crochet. That is my channel. I will be making more tutorials. I haven't had the time to do that. But have a great day, everyone. And I will talk to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.